I'm going to give you my top tips to a seamless blend on that lace. As you can see, I've already done this top section here, and I don't know about you, but I cannot see any lace anywhere. My first tip is definitely getting a wig that has HD lace. I get so happy when I have a wig that actually has HD lace, just because the blend is absolutely seamless. There's literally you just can't see it. Once I've placed that over the spray, while it's kind of wet, I just kind of comb the hairs back, but I keep a hold of this section just to keep it nice and tight and flat against my head so nothing's like flapping about. This is the Got To Be Blast and Freeze spray, and it is super runny. So you just want to wait a little bit just till it gets a bit tacky, and then when it's at that stage, all you need to do is just keep a hold of this section and just keep pressing down until it's bone dry. So HD lace is in fact a thinner type of lace, so it definitely goes on a lot more seamless and it just looks like scalp a lot easier. So I'd honestly even say it's not about the skill of laying down a wig, it is about the wig and the wig quality and getting that lace that just seamlessly blends with your skin. So that is fully dry on this side, and you can just see it's just blended like an absolute dream. This is probably one of the quickest ways to actually apply a wig. I do have other techniques and other glues and stuff that I do use, but if I'm trying to be quick, I do just go in with the spray. Like I said, it's nice and quick and easy. Just in case you're not quite convinced yet, I've zoomed you in a little bit. This wig as well, I totally forgot to mention, is a wig called Be Kind, and you can get it from Zeeelle. It's my collection with Zeeelle. It's from their charity edit, and every 5 wigs sold in this collection, a wig will actually be donated to a child with hair loss. And that is how easy it is. I'm all laid down. I'm going to style it and show you the finish. So here she is, all styled and applied, and I hope you actually found that useful. Just look at that blend. Can you see any lace? Because I can't.